Hi, I'm Hannah, and today I'll be teaching you how to create adaptive learning paths in SparkLearn. Adaptive learning is all about creating a personalized user experience for each learner. It helps users to get through content more quickly and receive the content that's right for them. Let's take a look at the app to see adaptive learning in action. I am taking this course, and before I get into the articles, there's a pretest I can take. Let's see how I do. Okay, since I got all the questions right on the pretest, I can see that a few of the articles have already been marked as complete for me. That's because I've shown I already know this information by taking the pretest. I can review those materials if I want, but I don't need to do them in order to complete the course. Let me switch over to the CMS to show you how this adaptive learning path was made. So when building a new course, I need to add learning content. I'm going to select the articles to include and assign them a difficulty level. There's novice, intermediate, and expert. Then I want to reorder the course with the simpler concepts first, so I drag the novice content to the beginning. Now I can add a pretest and set its passing score level and use the adaptive learning settings to say that users who pass this test can skip novice and less difficult content, like I demonstrated earlier. These settings can be used in a variety of ways to allow content managers to create paths that keep learners engaged at every skill level. Adaptive learning is complex, so if you'd like to learn more, I've linked a white paper down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.